With your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, maybe you got caught in one of those downpours today. That rain really came down. We had the thunder, the lightning to accompany some of those storms, as well as even some small hail picked up on Doppler. And rainfall amounts so far from these showers and storms picking up 3/4 of an inch at the airport and 3/500 at Robstown. Now, of course, these are only at these stations. If you look in between, you see these little patches of green. That's up to an inch of rain. So we did have higher totals where we didn't have the rain gauges, as you can see. This is how the sky looked earlier today at Beeville. Then we got a big downpour that came through. In fact, these showers and thunderstorms increased through mid-afternoon, and you can see it right there as that live camera was picking up that rain that moved through Beeville. And right now we're still seeing some of that light rain coming down from Beeville southward. Most of it has lightened up quite a bit though, but we still have these thunderstorms from just north of Rockport and as you head toward Bayside and inland. A pocket of heavy rain just to the west of Bayside right now. We also have these showers up near Goliad, north of Goliad. But all in all, the activity is going to continue to taper off this evening, and then tomorrow we'll see it picking up once again. Outside right now, we are at 78. Look at that rain, cooled air across the area. A lot of mild temperatures out there thanks to the clouds and rain. Still holding on to 91 at Falfurrias, though. The winds have been pretty light, with the exception of thunderstorms that have moved through. So for tonight, it'll be quiet for the first part of the night, and then as we get toward daybreak, we could start to see a couple of showers or storms forming right along the coastline. Lows in the upper 70s to near 80 tonight, some mid 70s inland. Tomorrow then we'll see the chance of coastal showers and thunderstorms in the morning, and then like today they'll gradually pull inland and then start to weaken toward the evening as temperatures climb into the lower 90s tomorrow. Now of course that depends on the rain, as you saw from the temperatures today. So if you get those downpours for an extended period of time, you probably won't make it to your high temperature, but the potential is there for the low to mid 90s tomorrow, and at the coast upper 80s. We talked about this upper wave yesterday. It was sitting a little farther to the east. Now it's drifting westward, and that continues to circle and bring in that moisture from the Gulf. It's pulling that moisture right into the area, and that tropical moisture will gradually decrease over the next 2 days. But we still have a chance of more rain as we get into the next 2. This is this evening. The showers and thunderstorms end, and then tomorrow morning may see a few developing off the coastline, pulling in again through midday. Pretty scattered activity again tomorrow. Some heavy downpours with some of those thunderstorms, and then those move out and leave us with the same type scenario for Thursday. But Thursday is going to be a transition day. We start to see the air gradually drying out, and by the time we get into Friday, we'll be much drier. Now we have a couple of disturbances, actually 3 of them out here, and all have the potential of developing further. Low chance though in the next 5 days, but this one is the one I'm tracking for early next week. Now still some uncertainty on exactly where it's going to go, but forecast models are taking that wave by Saturday into Florida, and then they bring it into the Gulf. That will increase our moisture here, and I did increase the chance of showers and storms for Sunday, but primarily Monday into Tuesday as that wave moves east. Again, something we're going to watch. It looks like it may form a little bit in the next 5 days, but for right now it just looks like it's going to be a rainmaker for us. Here is your 7-day forecast then, and you can see those rain chances for scattered showers and storms through Thursday come way down, only to 20% for Friday. Heading into the weekend, Saturday looks like the drier day. We pick up that chance of rain again Sunday. We warm up a little this weekend, and then with that tropical wave we may see a few more showers and storms early next week.